Greetings from Southern California. My name is Dr. Emily Letran, and it is my absolute honor to host another of our wonderful webinar for Global Summits Institute. I am the Dean of the Doctorate of Healthcare Business Programs. I would love to invite all of our listeners, our attendees, to take a look and join our program. It's a three-tier program teaching doctors of healthcare business how to run the business of healthcare business. This program is going to fill up that gap between being a clinical expertise to being a savvy business owner. It has three tracks. It focuses on finance, business, and research, and it will give you that edge to be able to run your business better and open doors to a lot of opportunities. This morning, it is my absolute honor to welcome Dr. Stephen Nugent to our webinar. Dr. Nugent has more than 40 years of experience in the area of integrative medicine. He's currently the chairman of the Global Scientific Advisory Board and is a speaker on science and integrative medicine. You know, his patients came from all over the world to his clinic, which also served as a teaching center for integrative medicine. He has tested more than 6,000 dietary supplement products and formulated more than 160. He taught and he created and he taught Category 1 continuing medical education courses and has been teaching doctors for more than 30 years. And this is great because now we get a chance to listen to him in our short webinar here, and I'm sure he's going to give us a lot of resources after that. Dr. Nugent is the author of 5 books and a co-author of 2. Those are published in 5 languages. He also has podcasts and blogs. He has earned multiple degrees, graduating with top honors from undergrad and graduate levels. His areas of studies include, but are not limited to, health and wellness psychology, integrative medicine, leadership psychology, organizational psychology, nutrition science, and business administration. Dr. Nugent has served as president of the International Association of Complementary Medicine and is a president emeritus of the American Naturopathic Medical Association. Dr. Nugent, such an honor and welcome to our webinar this morning.
Oh, it's my honor, Doctor. I appreciate the invitation. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to educate your members.
Well, you know, I know that you have a very, very long journey and it's still ongoing, researching, teaching, and serving. And so I just want to kind of start from the beginning. What changed for you that inspired you to go from being a clinician treating patients, and I know your patients were coming from all over the world to see you, into doing something along the line of what you're doing right now, which is researching and formulation of supplements and working with companies to really impact a lot more lives than the patient that you locally see.
Well, it was kind of about numbers and technology, Doctor. The numbers side of it was, how many people can I help each day as a practitioner? And even though my integrative medicine center, I had 2 medical doctors on my staff as well, there was only so many people that we could see per day. Yes. And when I found the technology that I'm about to speak about,